Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the least common multiple of 12 and 40. For finding the LCM of 12 and 40, we are going to find the factors of 12 and 40 by using the prime factorization method. In this method, we divide numbers by prime numbers and find their factors. So let's start dividing. The two numbers are even numbers, so we can use 2 to divide the two numbers. 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0. Again, we can divide by 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 10 is 20. 3 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 3. So we'll first divide 10 by using 2. 3 will be as is. 2 times 5 is 10. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So first we'll divide 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 will be as is. And next we are going to divide 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And now we see that both the numbers are fully divided, and all those numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder are the factors of these numbers. So let's take the product of all the factors which are on the left hand side to find the LCM. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Let's multiply the numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. And 24 times 5 is 120. The LCM of 12 and 40 is 120. So this is how we find the LCM of two numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.